Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we have the Bang Max that was sent to us from Tronsmart for us to check it out and review it. So a big thank you to them for sending this out to us. And we're going to go ahead and open it up and check this speaker out, see what we get. Now, this kind of reminds me of the Boombox 3 from JBL. I don't know if it's going to actually be the same type of sound quality, but it definitely has some weight to it. So there it is in the box. Nice Tronsmart. And we have a little power adapter. It's a power adapter. It's just a little, I don't know, barrel connector there. Let's pull the speaker out. This thing is heavy. Ooh, nice. There it is, Tronsmart, pretty cool looking. That's what the speaker looks like. And what do we have here? So we have our charger. We have a 3.5 millimeter cable. It has a 90-degree on one end. A little manual. Let's go ahead and open this up. So here's everything. There's our 3.5 millimeter cable. What do we have here? Tronsmart on Facebook warranty card. So it looks like on this little card right here is a way for you to get an additional 6-month warranty. So it already comes with a 1-year warranty. Sound Pulse. What's Tronsmart Sound Pulse technology? Patented algorithm with an upgraded version of DSP technology which works alongside a customized chip and large power chamber. With this combination of advanced engineering and sophisticated software, Tronsmart Sound Pulse technology delivers more balanced, more detailed, and more defined audio. Interesting. Okay, so it says it has a Sound Pulse technology, guys. We're going to see if that really makes any type of difference. Then we have our Bang Max manual right here. So pretty cool. And it looks like they're just showing you, they pretty much have it in color here. It's a really nice looking manual. And it just shows you the speaker, shows you all of the little buttons and controls. Pretty cool. Shows you how to do a pairing, how to do everything with the speaker. And on the back, there's just a whole bunch of, what is this? I guess it just has it in a bunch of different languages back here too, how to do certain things. So that's the nice little Tronsmart manual. All right, guys, so this is everything that comes in the package right here. Very nice. And the speaker feels pretty cool, pretty sturdy. Really nice. Look at that. Look at the way that looks. This is like really nice feeling. Have your little buttons right here. So just to go over all of the buttons that you have here, you have the power button, the Bluetooth button, volume down, play pause, volume up. This first button right here is actually called the stereo pairing button. So that's if you want true wireless stereo, you would use that one. The next button is actually the sound pulse button. That's the one that gives you that sound pulse, what we were talking about, that it has that special sound pulse feature built into the speaker to make it sound better. And then you also have your tune con button right there. And that's the button that allows you to connect to multiple speakers, up to 100 different speakers. And then obviously the last one right there, that's the echo for your microphone controls. Here's the sides of the speaker right here. Has some passives right here. And now this speaker is cool because it does actually have separates. It has a woofer, it has a mid, actually it has 2 woofers, it has 2 mids, and it has 2 highs. So it actually has separates on it, which is really nice. And then back here in the back, we'll take a look. Bang Max. And it has your card reader, USB-A port, aux. You have a mic jack, mic guitar jack. You have volumes for both, gains for both. And then you have your power port right there to be able to plug it in. Now, obviously, if this is plugged in, it's not going to have the waterproof rating because this is just going to be completely exposed. You have to have it fully charged and have this cover, back panel cover on right there. But it is cool that it does actually have mic ports. You can plug mics in there. And you can use this as a little karaoke, portable karaoke device. Oh, look at that. Underneath the handle, it has like these nice little things right here to stick out, like a grip. Look pretty cool. And that's a really nice speaker. It feels really nice. It feels really sturdy. The handle definitely, it's just plastic. Everything seems plastic on it. Has this nice like fabric coating all over it. But it definitely feels sturdy. It feels pretty strong. It has these nice little passives on the side. So this is just hard plastic right here, and this just kind of pushes in and out. So that's pretty nice speaker. All right, let's go ahead and power this on, see how quick it turns on and what it looks like. Nice, nice, there we go. And I think that if you double press this, there we go, it does the lights. So you have different lighting modes on here. So if you double press the power button, it kind of goes through lighting modes. So this has 3 different lighting modes. You go 1, 2, and 3. So the specification for the Tronsmart Bang Max, it's 3-way sound, has dual tweeters, dual mids, and dual woofers. So that does give you the separates that I like to see on speakers. 130 watts of sound. It does also offer the true wireless stereo where you can pair 2 speakers together in true wireless stereo. and you can also sync across 100 speakers. IPX6 waterproof means it's safe from spills, rain, and splashing, but you cannot actually submerge the speaker in the water. It also has up to 24 hours of battery life, and you do have various EQ modes and lighting modes that can be controlled via the Tronsmart app. Dimensions are about 18.25 inches long at the longest point, about 10.5 inches tall, and 6.75 inches deep, and it weighs roughly about 15 pounds. It does also have auto power off mode, which allows the speaker to power off within 30 minutes of not playing any sound. Okay, so now we're going to get connected to it via Bluetooth, and when you're looking for it in your device, it's going to be called the Tronsmart Bang Max. So let's go ahead and get connected. And there we go, connected. And as you can see up on the screen right here, this is what the app looks like. So what you're going to do is look for your speaker. So here's the Tronsmart Bang Max. We'll click on that. It's searching for it. And here it is, it comes up. And now you do have some settings here. You can look at your Bluetooth. You could actually switch your play modes, Bluetooth, aux, TF card, U-disc. You have stereo pairing mode. You have a broadcast master. This, what is this? At least 2 speakers of the same model. So I guess if you want to broadcast to multiple speakers. You also have different lighting modes you can select. So we have, this one's called Carousel right here. That's Carousel. This one is Deep Breath. And this one is Fashion Party. I'll kind of leave it on the carousel for right now. And let's see what else we have in here. We also have the voice prompt. So I'm not really sure. It won't prompt once turned off. The device won't prompt. I'm not really sure what that does, but you have voice prompt. You also do have some type of EQ here as well. If you wanted to use that. Let's see what we have here. Music presets. You have default, deep bass, rock, customized, classical. So if you want to customize, you click there. You can actually set your EQ to wherever you want it to be. Want to have more bass or more treble or whatever you want there, or you can choose one of the other, music presets that you have there. So that is pretty much that. Let's see if there's anything else in there that I'm missing. Home, this brings you back to the screen. Now you have your play, pause, forward, and next button. It shows your battery percentage, shows it's connected to Bluetooth, and I think that is just about it. And you can also power it off, so that's pretty cool. I don't see any updates or anything like that available. I'm not really sure if that would be in here. So that's pretty much it for the app. All right, so we're going to play a few tracks for you right now so you can see what this speaker sounds like. It's going to be at 80% volume, and we're going to alternate between sound pulse off and sound pulse on. So please just sit back and enjoy the music.
looking for a way.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. All along for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of
So my final thoughts for the Tronsmart Bang Max portable party speaker. I definitely say it has really good build quality. I like the build quality. I like the way that it feels in hand. It's a pretty heavy speaker. I like the, the finish on it, the way it has like this fabric on it as well. It's definitely a cool looking speaker. It has a cool build to it. The mic jack, mic/guitar jack is pretty cool if you want to take it and use it as like a mini karaoke speaker on the go, or if you want to use it as like a mini guitar speaker/amplifier. That would probably work good as well. I'll tell you right now, even though it looks like the Boombox 3, you're not going to be getting the same sound quality out of it as the Boombox 3. So if you're expecting that, you may be a little bit underwhelmed. But for the price range, this one goes for under $200, where the Boombox 3 goes for about $500. There's a big price difference, and there also is going to be a sound quality difference here. Not to say that this speaker sounds bad, because I think it does sound good. It has the separates on it, and it also does have some pretty decent sounding bass. So it's a decent speaker. I think for the price point, it's pretty good. And you guys can hear in the sound test what you think of it, and let me know in the comments. If you're interested in purchasing a speaker, I will leave a link where you'll be able to pick it up from. And if you would like to show your support, please be sure to use my links, since they do generate a small revenue for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.